In this video, we are going to show you how to send or share location with anyone with Android. Let's begin. With Google Messages, you can send your current location or location of any place to anyone who uses Android or iPhone. Here's how to do it. Open the Google Messages app and select the contact that you want to send the location to. Now tap on the plus icon to open the menu. Here, tap the location option. On the next page, your current location will be highlighted. Just tap on the send icon beside it to send the location. Just remember, you are sending your current location, and this is not live location. Now tap on the send icon to send the selected location. That's it. Lastly, you can also share the location via WhatsApp as well, as it is more widely used and more feature-rich than Google Messages. Open WhatsApp and select the contact that you want to send the location to. Now tap on the attachment icon in the Messages box to open the menu. Here, tap on the location option. To send your current location, just tap on the Send My Current Location option. To send any location, tap on the search icon at the top right corner and type the name or address, and select the location to instantly send it. The person whom you have sent the location to can open and check the live location directly in WhatsApp. However, if the location is of another place, it will open the link in the default Maps app. Now that you know how to share location with anyone on Android, why not elevate your tech skills even more? Subscribe to Guiding Tech. Like and share this video if it helped. Also, dive into our other videos, lined up and curated for you.